am Terry B. Jones coming to you live on today with another email marketing content creation idea. On today, I'll be sharing with you how to increase your affiliate marketing sales using emails. Okay, and so here is the product. It is called the IN income system, where you can earn while you learn, internet marketing income system. Okay, and so what I'm showing you is the back office of this particular product. I think is a great concept where you actually get to learn internet marketing concepts as well as make some money at the same time. You guys know I am an email marketing autoresponder affiliate of Traffic Wave, Aweber, GetResponse, and MailChimp. Okay, and so what you can do if you have an email autoresponder is you can find an affiliate product. Okay, an affiliate product on ClickBank, on Amazon, on Commission Junction, Warrior Plus. So these are the different places you can go and find a complementary product to sell along with what your main product or service is. Okay, so say for instance, I am an author. Okay, and I have a book that's called Three Key Strategies to Financial Success. Because if there's some people like me, a baby boomer, that's going to be retiring within the next 3 years, and basically they're looking to make sure that they have their finances together. Okay, and maybe they want another stream of income. Affiliate marketing is a way that they can actually earn extra income. Okay, and so here is, I think, a great affiliate product that can be promoted. And so where the email marketing part comes in that will help you increase your sales is here. Okay, promo tools. When you choose an affiliate product, definitely you want to make sure that they provide you with some kind of promotional tools so that you can make sales. All right, and look what we have here. Okay, so here is the actual it's a 3-step process. Okay, and so when you click on promo tools here, you'll see that you can access email swipes right here. Okay, and so you just click on here, and then they give you subject lines. Okay, and so you all that have, those of you who have been to my YouTube channel, you'll see that I create a YouTube short every day with a Chit Chat Cash email marketing subject line for you to add to your email autoresponder. Okay, to build that know, like, and trust that leads to sales. Okay, and so here they're providing you with some subject lines. So I've taken a look at some of these, and the one that I like the most, me personally, is earn while you learn money making membership, because I'm all about teaching. So this one really sticks out to me. Somebody else may like to get paid $140 a pop for sharing this, whichever one you want to use, and you can test it out. Choose different ones to use on different days. And then so here are the emails. Okay, and so here's they actually provide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different emails that you can use and add to your email autoresponder, where you don't have to rack your brains about what will work as far as selling this product, because this product has already been sold and it's making sales. So they know what works. The person who designed this particular affiliate product, they know what works. Okay, you can also use email to solo ads. Okay, you can use that there. And then also they're classified ads that if you want to post there to sell this product on your email signature in your emails, you can add PSs to actually get this product sold. Okay, and you should have PSs in your emails already, but you can actually add this. Okay, for this particular product. And then of course, if you're part of a forum, you can put information in there as well. And then the other thing that is in here, which I really like too, if you're on Twitter, you know, there are tweets out here, social media posts that is provided, you know, for you to use right here. And so you can pick and choose those. All right. And then the other thing that I thought was pretty cool, they actually have some graphics. Okay. And so you can add these to your website. All right. How cool is that? So I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live again on today with another email marketing strategy to grow your brand, your reach, and revenue using affiliate offers. Okay. And so if you have any questions, you can reach out to me and in the actual thread, and then we can talk about you actually taking advantage of this product and promoting it in your email autoresponder. Okay, until next time, continue to make that chit chat cash.